good and so fun. So let's see. Okay, so we can create the next drawing. First make it we can make it the oval. We make oval. Okay, you make the oval like this. First make the oval like this. Oval. Yeah, it's just draw oval. Very simple. Come down. Make oval. Okay, simple oval. Okay. Now the next steps we are going to the here. Okay, just here you can create one line. Okay, see here you just create like this line. From here you can make it like this, 1 2 like this. Okay, 1 2 like this. Do like this. Let's check. And here I make that. Here, see that here I make these things. Okay, like this. One oval. It is what character? I just tell you. Okay, make it. What you see, beta? Amaya, what you see? Okay, so now just Amaya, I send you. If you are not able to draw, you just talk to mother. I can arrange the okay. Maybe your camera is something something problem have. Yeah, I send the drawing, beta. Don't worry. But why are you facing problem? If you can talk to mother, I can fix the camera. You can fix the camera. Okay, maybe something problems in your camera. Okay, beta, don't worry. Okay, don't worry. So now I can create here one line. Okay, this line. Okay. I hope everybody understand that what character it is now. Simba. Kumba, no? This name is Kumba. Okay, I don't know name his character is Kumba, right? Okay. Okay, make it Kumba like this. Okay, this is the Kumbas. Okay. And here I can draw. Can I continue or you take time? Need time? Okay. Okay. You just tell me if you difficulties, if you want to wait, I can wait. Okay, don't worry. So now I just make it here. From here, okay. See the mouth over here. I just make it a little bit of bigger. This part like this. Okay, little bigger this part. So I can erase this. These things, okay, this circle, whatever I draw for before, I erase it. Okay. Okay. And here I can create the eyes. So nose, ear and eyes is same link. So I can make it the eyes like this. Okay, like this. This is the eyes. Okay, and here you can create the ear. The nose, eyes and ear the same proportion. Okay, the same equal line. Okay, so make aram se take draw. Okay, if like this, aram se 1 2. Okay, This is ear. Okay. And here's a smiley face like this. This is smiley kind of. Okay, here's smiley. Fine. So now I draw that here. Okay, like here I just make it like one. If you need time, I can wait for a few minutes. Or if you tell continue, I can continue. So we are creating here like this. See, I just make 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 like this. Okay, this is a hair. We are making the. What's the name this character till, Joanna? I forgot. কোনটা? না এখানে এই দিকটা অন্ধ করা, হাতটা অন্ধ করা, সব ভিডিও তৈরি করি। কোনটা? ও ওটা বন্ধ করে দাও। ও রেকর্ডিং করছিলাম ওখানে। ও ডান্স করছিল তখন। ওকে। কিসের পোস্টার? আচ্ছা পাঠাও। So okay, so we are creating this line. Okay, little. Okay, this is character. So you can create the color for this character. Brown, reddish brown, and the teeth is this very simple color using, but amazing character designer. Okay, this one of my best. It's a brown only, beta. It's a brown. I make it the reddish brown you can use. Okay. Like this. Like this. Yes. क्या बनाना? हेयर बनाना नहीं आ रहा बेटा? ओके, कोई बात नहीं, ऐसे हेयर बनाओ. ओके, तो स्टेप. ओके, मैं दिखा रहा हूँ. ये स्टेप 1. ओके, स्टेप 1. ये स्टेप 2. आई शो यू. ओके, डोंट वरी. स्टेप 2. स्टेप 3 है ये बॉडी कैसे बनाता है हेयर. तो ये यस, दिस इज स्टेप 2. ब्राउन. या मेक द स्टेप 2 like yeah, color out the brown, deep brown beta. You are making this body. It is brown, not deep brown. It is a brown only. Okay, brown sign up. You make the step 3. This is step 3. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And then here you can here. Okay, see this here. who is not understand the hair, make it like this. Okay. Yeah, here is a deep brown. We are putting deep brown. Okay. Make it this. Yeah. Okay. Here we put the deep brown. Here is the same color. Here same color. Here is the same color. Okay, but the other color is brown. Hello. Good. Here this key patch is going on. Hey, tell me, ma'am. Tell me. Yeah. Ah, yeah. Today, yeah. Today's, I just, yeah, ma'am. I just add now. I just take the class, and after that, few students are not getting link. I just send that. First add. I first I add my group, and then after that group I send the broadcast link. So that's the broadcast link. So I send one time, and then all these group students can get the link. So the server still not yet added, so that's why I'm getting. I just add it, then again I post the link. So the server get all those in Amazon the link, whatever I do that. Then definitely I add it and send. All those, all those, all those videos, everything is connected. Sure, thank you so much. I said it. Okay, now we can, after that, I can make it a little bit of shading. See, I just make a brown color. I put a brown color. You can create that. Okay, you can create some here, some shading, so it looks more good if you put the shading like this. If it's dark shading. Okay. So this is the characters fun. You can just make some colors, skins. Very nice. You can take time to. Okay. That character is smiley face.